Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a recipe that is super simple, super delicious, and is also something that you can keep for a while. So if you're baking in advance, these are great, and they're also not too bad ingredient wise, so let's get into it. You want to start out by sifting your flour. You want to add your baking soda, some ginger, some salt, and sugar. Then you want to take some syrup. You want to put that in a pan together with some butter. And then you want to melt that together. You don't need a lot of heat for that. Then you want to put this into your bowl as well. Last but not least, you want to take an egg. You want to give it a quick whisk. And then you want to pour that into your bowl as well. Last, you want to add a little bit of orange peel, and then you want to knead your dough. When everything's combined completely, you want to go ahead, roll little balls and push them flat on your baking tin with some baking paper. And then you're ready to bake with 160 degrees Celsius for around 15 minutes. You don't want these to get too hard. They should still be a little bit fluffy in the middle. And as I said, they're really simple. They're really delicious. I hope you give them a try. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.